All right, yo, we are back. Um, it is Friday, January 16th, and there is no news today. Um, but even so, we're still going to peep game real quick. I have not looked at the charts yet. I'm gonna do this all raw again, just so you guys see my kind of analysis on how I'm viewing everything, and how I'm setting up everything that I do. So, obviously, starting off on the daily for both time frames. Um, Again, 30 bars. Gotta see what's relevant. So anything past that. So we still have these highs that we could target over here. We also have these ones. So this kind of looks like we're doing like a bit of a Thursday counter. This is a bullish candle. I kind of want to keep going up, so that's invalidation. That's also invalidation. Okay. So I do believe we're gonna go up. Failure swing right here. And then this is my previous day, so we're gonna mark out previous day highs because my sentiment of the market is gonna be bullish. So that's my previous day highs. And then also my previous day lows. Probably not coming back to that though. Previous day lows. We'll just push that side. Alright, now let's look at over here. What's going on with this? So let's start from in. Previous day highs. Just marking out what's relevant to me. What makes sense. Where we should see a reaction from the market and all that jazz. Those are not previous day lows, these ones are. That's a swing. Alright, let's show. Then we have these highs up here. And then we do kind of have a long-term S&T coming from right here still. It seems that price just wants to reject off of these points. It's a little crazy. S&T. I kind of want to see this go past that though, to be honest. I want to see us go into previous day highs. So we're going to go to trading view actually too. Look at this. 3 p.m., 10 p.m. bullish. Created a fair value gap right here. Maybe over 10 p.m. high. I'm pretty sure this is a previous day high right here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this follows the daily profile. So we have kind of like a reversal daily counter, or not daily counter, Thursday counter for our weekly profile. So bearish, this is bearish, 3 bearish candles going down. Then Thursday we reverse going up. Then 7 hour we have 3 and a 10 p.m. expansion candle going up. So I do think we're probably gonna go higher. I think we might have to retrace into that fair value gap first. So let's go back to the charts. 4 hour, probably mark out the same fair value gap. Okay, so we inversed it and then inversed it again, so that seems okay, it seems good. As long as we don't disrespect this one, we'll be okay. So that's gonna be my main point. If we kind of inverse that one, it'll be my invalidation. So I hope you guys can see everything all chill and all good. Alright. So 5:44. Let's see what's going on. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see our sessions. 5 p.m., 2 a.m., 12. Kind of looks like we've just been expanding. Expansion. Yeah, just looks like we've been expanding. And put a low right there. Then on the session and put a low right here. No kind of London reversal. I mean, don't see anything that significant. Let's see. 5 p.m. 2 a.m. 12. There we go. Asian low, and then my London low. So that looks different. Looks way different than this. We have a low right here, tapped into it. So we kind of swept all those lows. I think we just need to sweep London lows on NQ, so that's going to be my point of concession. I definitely think we're going to sweep those. Just because we inputted SMT, it's low-key kind of just my market experience just telling me this. I've seen it play out a couple times. Well, a good amount to be confident in it, but yeah, we do have an SMT right here. Because that SMT will still hold even if market opens and sweeps it. It'll still be valid. It also leaves room for this one to come down too and make it still valid as well. But if we go down and break Asian session, then we'll probably go lower, if possible. But even if we do go lower and I see something lower, break that SMT, retracement back to a level, target that for value gap for that invalidation. But for right now, I just want to see that get swept. And then when market opens, so like in 30 minutes. So I just kind of want to see that get swept. And then, yeah, we'll see everything else. This is kind of a buy side real quick. So these are kind of like my targets going into the day. Yeah, I want to see this come lower, retracement, go up. We already inversed that for value gap, this whole leg on the higher time frames. SMT at the lows for Asian. A kind of invalidation of the fair value gap if that goes through. But yeah, I kind of want to see this get swept and then we come up higher. That's what I'm looking for. That makes sense to me, but it looks like we were a bit chopping around. Pre-market chop. Where's our previous day highs again? Up there. Alright. Previous day lows down there. So we have a daily low down here. That's day low. Yeah, I don't think we'll come back down. I think we do want to come back up, just from how the market's looking. We've already had like one that came all the way down, back up to that mid-range, came back for a small retracement. Looks like we're just kind of coming up. SMT right here. We'll probably come up to those previous day highs, maybe target those failure swings as well. But that is a protected swing right there, so I'm not sure what we'll do with it. But let me see if the stream's alright real quick. I didn't even check it. But that is a protected swing right there, so I'm not sure what we'll do with it. But let me see if the stream's alright real quick. I didn't even check it. But that is a protected swing right there, so. Alright, Joe, everything's good. That's fire. Let's see. Yeah, there's nothing really we're looking for right now within the market. There's no real level I'm kind of looking to invalidate. I mean, maybe that one. We close above it. But I kind of don't want to see that. I don't want to see that happen. I won't take that. We're too high in premiums already. Because we've already been distributing these entire sessions. We have an SMT right here. I kind of want to see market open and dip down just to kind of validate the SMT as well. Because if we come down and just go down all the way to this level, we sweep it, retracement leg right here, and then entering off of that, and then target these buy side as potential targets, and then previous day high as a target, maybe leave a runner to the fair swings. But I'm not sure if we close above that without sweeping down here will be valid. So I don't want to see anything from it right now, but I'll keep it marked just in case. If we just come down and close above on the same candle, that would be okay too. I'll just leave it there just so I can think about it. Just setting conditions in my head is kind of what I want to do. So I know exactly what I want to see from the market. I think it's a pretty overlooked thing. Like, people develop biases and fully conform to that bias, but you gotta understand, like, the market is not always going to conform to what you think about it. It's not going to conform to the concepts that you've learned. Like, this thing is its own algorithm, and it's its own database on what it follows. So if you don't understand how to read that well, if you don't have enough experience, you're not going to be able to set conditions like this, because you haven't seen shit like this play out. You don't understand how it kind of works and operates sometimes, and the possibilities of how it could operate other times. So that's kind of like why I set conditions a lot, because it doesn't make me stuck to a full idea while also keeping a kind of narrative on the idea that I want to see play out, and when my idea is invalid to when I can actually change into a new idea that I can trade off of. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. And these are daily swings, so I'm honestly marking them out as, like, when they're higher time frame, like 4 hour to daily, 7 hour. I like marking them out red. And then on my lower time frames, I like marking out my small levels red too, just because it helps with everything. And then the black ones are just for confluences, targets, and all of that jazz. Alright, but honestly, we're just gonna wait here. There's nothing more we can really do other than just work on this stuff, just chilling. We have our levels marked out. We see an SMT. I believe market's gonna go up. We have a weekly profile telling us we're gonna go up. We have a 4 hour telling us we're gonna go up. 7 hour daily profile telling us we're gonna go up. Sessions telling us that we've already been displacing up. An SMT at Asian lows telling us that there is already a high probability sweep to come down for a retracement leg off the opening, and to see a more distribution and continuation of this current trend is what I'm looking for to target into. I just want to see us come down, come up, form a retracement leg, entering off that retracement leg, 1 to 2 RR, first profit target, buy side liquidity, second target, previous day highs, and third target, probably 2 RR. And then we'll be done. And hopefully this can be $1,000 day or a no trade day. Hopefully we don't lose anything. With this new account, I just need one more day of 150 for a payout. So when I do go for a payout, I will walk you guys through what that looks like. Just because I think it kind of helps with morale and, like, continuing this, just to know it's real. Like, oh my god, like, he actually made tangible money, and that's not gonna pull out the money. But yeah, just to have, like, actual tangible evidence that you can actually make money from this, I think is very important. Because if I didn't get a taste of trading and what that was like to actually make money from it consistently, like back earlier in 2025, like around this time, I probably would have stopped trading for a minute. Like, that's what really kept me going. Because if I was like, if I did it once, I could do it again and again and again and again. I just need to get more better. I just need to get more efficient. I just need to get more consistent, more disciplined. I need to be this person. And yeah, eventually it worked out. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it's like to pull out a payout. So this is brand new, fresh account that I just passed in December. So I activated for this new year. So it'll be my first real payout of the year of my profits this year. So I can show you guys what that's like. I'll probably pull out something small because I don't want to have like a crazy debuff. Maybe like 1,000 or 500. We'll see. Because I'm trying to like up my buffer. I mean, I don't want you to see what I got and everything, but I'm trying to like up my buffer. Probably at the end of the month, I'll show you guys my progress on this account. But yeah, the thing about like Top Step accounts and just like funded accounts is that they have maximum loss limits, and it rises with how much profit you are above zero. So if you're 1,000 above zero, instead of having a 4,500 maximum loss limit, you now have a 3,500 maximum loss limit. And if you go down to 500, you still have that 3,500 loss limit. But instead, it's like 4,000 now. So you lost money in doing so. So I don't want to lose that kind of buffer, just so I can trade eventually in bigger sizes. But honestly, I'm just using this account to grab payouts to get more funded accounts. Like, I don't want to have to pass this shit. I kind of just take the profits, transfer on to Tradeify, and then just buy some 150 accounts there. I think they only allow 3, so I think they only allow 3 for funded, but I want to buy the flash funded, so if I get 1,000, I'll probably spend half of that on that funded account, just so I can multiply my kind of like trading income good. But I'm still trying to figure out if, like if I pull out like $1,000 payout, like that'd be fire. I don't want to use all my money on that shit, but I still believe in Top Step. I just think they just have a lot of issues. But since like the community is really retaliating right now, I don't think they'll pull some shit like that again. Even if they did do it on purpose, which I don't think they really did it on purpose, there might be some shady shit going on. But Top Step is still one of the best firms in futures to get into anything. Like a lot of people are saying bad shit about it, but I mean, Top Step X is really what's the problem, because they can really shut this down at any time. So that's kind of a little bit iffy. I haven't really had any problems with them at all. But I mean, if I get denied a payout for whatever reason, if I get, I don't even know, my account blown for whatever reason, or if they take away something and revoke me or something, that would suck. But I don't really see that happening, but I know it's happened to other people. I've heard stories from other people. But very little stories. I've never really seen anybody have too much trouble with Top Step. I've seen a lot of people have trouble with Apex, and them on Apex not paying them out, only paying creators, which is honestly a pretty good tactic. If you're funding a trader, and they don't have a content or platform, you could relatively do whatever the fuck you want. And you could just say, hey, you didn't read the fine print. But if there's a creator, that means they're open and their trades are being watched by a bunch of people. So when they have these bunch of different rules and day passes and then like $200,000 payouts and shit like that from Apex, like people are like, oh, I want to get into this because I want to make money. But I believe they only do that just so they can drag in more audience, drag in more profits for traders and just screw them over. So I think I don't really like Apex just because I think they prioritize and favor creators rather than their actual customers, and they're really about that bag. Top Step, have never seen anything like that. They're still probably the best plans out there other than Tradeify. But Jesus. Hold I have this little app to wake me up because I never wake up. It just tells me to wake the fuck up early. Makes me do like a little game, tells me good morning, and has like a person talking or yapping because I need somebody to talk or yap to wake me up. That's like I look to get screwed over if I just have an alarm because then it gets like sucked into my dream, which I'm scared this is gonna that will happen actually. No me gusta. I would not want that to happen. Check stream. I'm not sure if I'm not looking at chat right now, so I don't know if any of you guys are in here. But I'm just gonna check real quick just to see if anybody's typing anything. Nope, seems we're all good in the chat. Nobody's awake right now. Alright, alright. Alright, well, 6:11. There is nothing really going on with the markets. I mean, we'll go to the 15-minute, just peep game real quick. But yeah, I'm not really gonna be saying anything right now. So, I'm gonna, what's it called? Just go on mute real quick. Come, like, market open, or when I want to say something, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, for right now, I'm gonna just chill out. All right. We are back, and the market just pumped up insanely fast. And we just took out our targets on the 15-minute. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do with that, but yeah, I'm not taking anything off market open right now. I guess you could take this. It'll probably close above this level. I don't really want to do that just because we have stuff resting down here. So, I mean, if we're going to pump, I'd rather have it pump up, retrace, and then come back. So, yeah, I'm just going to wait for that retracement since we're just going to close above. Because I don't really want to take anything and then just get stopped out unnecessarily. There's no point. Alright, market opens. Let's see. Yo, go down. I really want price to drive down so I can get a better fill on this kind of entry. But we might hold that, to be honest. Well, I'm not gonna place the trade, but this is a trade that I see that could possibly work out. If we just want to pump up. This will create an SMT up here. I gotta fix my position real quick because I want to lay down a little bit. Yeah, I'm in bed right now. I don't got a desk. I don't got nothing. This is just me waking up and going directly on the charts to look at this shit. That's my life right now. And I just want to see market drive price down. Alright. Well, looks like we're going down now, which is good. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Only thing is, I don't want to invalidate that SMT. I want to hold it. So maybe this unmitigated fair value gap is on the 5 minute. No, it's just a 3. Okay. This will probably be the lowest range that I want to go to. I want to tap into that or this level right here. So we'll probably tap into both, but I want to see at least this get tapped into. But yeah, that's why you don't take shit off market open, because shit like this happens. You don't read it right. But yeah, I kind of want to see market tap into these levels first. If we go to sweep this level, that's okay. If we go to sweep London session, that's okay. That's more. That just makes it more probable for me to go and try to get an entry off of it. Man, it looks like we're just coming back up again. Huh. Alright, this looks like it's respecting, I guess. Oh damn, we already have an SMT lower. We have SMT on both sides. What the fuck? That's weird. No make use of that. There we go. Push down, boy, push down. I'm gonna play some Clash, bro. No way, bro. Oh, that's a level 2. We gotta do it again. Hope not. You know, that right there could be a good entry, but man, I don't know how I feel about that. I guess. I want to wait for the 5 minute. Let's see if we close above on the 5 minute. Just because we're right near 6:45, there's always some kind of change at 6:45. If we don't get that closed, then I feel like this could work out, but I don't think. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, if we don't close, then fire. We didn't close. Let me just get this out the way so it doesn't incentivize me to take a dumbass trade. Yeah, let's go lower, bro. I don't want to see anything like that. Come on now. Push, bro, push. 15 minute. Hopefully we'll end it down there. I really want to tap into that range for me to feel comfortable with taking anything. So. Ay, ay, ay. Whew. Nice, just see a little dip down. Let's keep going. Let's see. Keep it going, man. Okay, I'm gonna change the vibe up real quick. What we got? Look, you want some rap, to be honest. My girlfriend put me on this song, I ain't gonna lie. It's just lucky fire. Yes, sir. There we go.
Tip and trip that pay for. You love bank slip that tell you we pay more. You love a good hand whenever the card dealt. But what love got to do with it when you don't love yourself? I do what I want to. I say what I want to say when I feel like look in the mirror and know I'm there with my hands in the air. I'm proud to say it. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. 'Cause before you know it, everything's gone. I promise that I know you very well. Your eyes never lie, even if they fail. Out the sky and your optics turn stale. When they move that's green, I can see you fit the bill of living in a world that come with plan B. 'Cause plan A only can make another mistake, and you can't see success coming from plan C. When it all breaks, you'll still say you're lovely and love them and love when you love her. You love so much, you love when love hurts. You love fast cars and their president's old. You love fast women, you love keeping control of everything that you love. You love beef, you love streets, you love running, ducking police. You love your hood, might even love it to death. But what love got to do with it when you don't love yourself? I do what I want to. I say what I want to say when I feel like look in the mirror and know I'm there with my hands in the air. I'm proud to say it. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. 'Cause before you know it, everything's gone. The reason why I know you very well, 'cause we have the same eyes, can't you tell? The days I tried to cover up and conceal my pride, it only made it harder for me to deal with living in a world that come with plan B. A scapegoat, 'cause plan A don't come free, and plan C just an excuse like because, or the word but what if I got love? I love them, I love when I love her. I love so much, I love when love hurts. I love first verse 'cause you're the girl I attract. I love second verse 'cause you're the homie that pack, burning like a stove top that love cooking from scratch. I love what the both of you have to offer. In fact, I love it so much I don't love anything else. But what love got to do with it when I don't love myself to the point I should hate everything I do love? Should I hate living my life?
Okay, 648.
Should I hate
Still seeing some pressure down, which is
should I
fine.
hate him for telling me that I'm seasoned? Should I hate them for telling me ball out? Should I hate street credibility? I'm talking about hating on money, power, respect, and my will. Or hating the fact none of that shit make me real.
Gang, ain't tripping up from dominoes no more. Just calling. Sorry to hear what happened to your homeboy. But don't learn the hard way like I did. Any nigga can kill a man. That don't make you a real nigga. Real is responsibility. Real is taking care of your motherfucking family. Real is God, nigga.
I do what I want to. I say what I want to say when I feel like look in the mirror and know I'm there with my hands in the air. I'm proud to say it. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really
your little friend over there about food for less, the teaching piece. They was telling me about the good book from last on now. That's what y'all need. Oh, well, Top Dog called the house too. I guess he wants you and Dave to come to the studio. But look, you take them music business serious. Yeah, put out something me and your dad can step to. But shit, you know who's from Chicago. You know that's what we do. If I don't hear from you by tomorrow, I hope you come back and learn from your mistakes and come like a man. Tell your story so these black and brown kids will come. Let them know you were just like them, but you still rose from that dark place of violence. Become a positive person. But when you do make it, give back with your words of encouragement. That's the best.
Alright, it looks like we're dipping lower too. This is good, that's what I want to see.
If I don't hear you knocking on the door, you know I usually leave the key. All right? Talk to you later. Bye.
What happened to my boy?
Nice, okay. Seeing good candles to the downside is good. I like this. Nice, we got a sweep on that. Oh, yep. Sweep that, sweep London. Fire. Let's see a big reaction out of that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sweep it, sweep it, sweep it. Almost there, bud. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice. Let's see a reaction out of there. There's a 15-minute low. So at 7 a.m. I want to see this manipulate above, just to show that buying pressure. And we're coming lower to this one over here too. I think I kind of want to see, it would be dope if we saw a sweep right here, but yeah, once we sweep right here, that would be fire. I want to see that get swept too. and then we'll have reason to go up. So this can come a little lower, and then we'll start making a move up, or if not, then we'll just death candle all the way down, and I probably won't trade. But as long as SMT is holding, we're still good. Nice, we got a sweep. Let's see reaction now. Let's go. 7 a.m. candle. Let's close above here. Come on now. Okay, new 655 candle. Okay. Seeing some buying pressure. We got Leve on, bro. I'll do this one instead. Yes, fire ass song, bro. I'm putting y'all on right now, whoever's watching this. There you go. Nice. Let's hold that. I didn't want to dip down anymore, really. I don't want to do nothing crazy. Ah, shit. Hold on. Alright, well, SMT just been invalidated. I do think we have an SMT up top too. Yeah, we have SMT right there. Alright, well, looks like we're probably going to be coming lower instead. So, if we just kind of wick all the way down, that would suck, but I kind of want to see us target something like over here. So I'm probably going to be looking to come lower now. Just because that SMT was invalidated. We would have held that if it was bullish. I react to this 5-minute fair value gap once it's formed. We'll kind of determine where I really want to go as confirmation. So if we tap into it and we see like continuation out of it to the downside, then I'll take that. But if we see an inverse out of it, I'll take that too. Because right now we're kind of in like the middle way of where we can see where price wants to go. But right now it's looking a little bit bearish, but it could still be low-key a retracement. I've seen stuff like this, but yeah, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure we'll probably come lower. I just want to see how it reacts to that 5-minute fair value gap, just so we can deliver from it, or expand off of it. I just want to be really, really sure before I do anything. Because my model's not presented in any way over here. This right here, low key, but if I had a bearish bias, that would probably be good. Nice. 5 minute. There you go. Oh, that's gonna be for me too. Let's see how I react from it. Man, I look need to go to the restroom, bro. Y'all let me know what happens. BRB.
Check up on all my exes. Big body up in Texas. All white body, but it's not a Lexus. My cup look a little reddish. Purple inside a yellow Fanta. Now it's like Cameron Reddish. She told me she's not that flexible. Neither's my schedule, we still gon' check it. I treat the money like messages, keeping it blue like I still ain't read it. Crosses on my glasses, fuck all the ops, we fastest. Make them past tense. Bitches treat me just like Fat Farm, my name on all they asses. Nigga flex his chains, I held my hands up and made invisible glasses. And I still couldn't see it. Treat a broke nigga like we playing freeze tag, cause I just couldn't be it. Treat a pussy like a janky friend who broke something, fuck it up and leave it. She wanna be 31, gotta stamp it up in ink. She like 42, I'm just like you, without the drink. Concrete diamonds, lay our chains on the ground and make a skating ring. My mans will slap a nigga at the war show like I'm Jada Pink. Yeah, US in my bio, like I love my country. First I'm loading up right now, bitch, I can feel it coming. First thing off the bat, I can't love a gnat, it's just a gnat. My stepper can't be televised, he's known to twitch like Casanat. All of my ropes is gold, I'm using them bitches to tie up the sack. I hit the bitch from the side, can't risk her digging her nails in my back. Boating these seaports so much, walking the pop, the soda went flat. I was running through pints in 2 days. All of my hoes go 2 ways. I've been that nigga since daddy had niggas still 2 ways. Never consent to a due date. My white bitch like my credit card, my black bitch like my blue face. I hate a bougie bitch that try to take me on a police chase. Me and my mom got matching watches, hers just got the new face. Stuffing hundreds in a piggy bank like it's a fly base. They claiming I gotta be Ken and Mace. I need to find Jesus like him, so I can sit down with him and tell him I wanna be just like him. One go tooth like Tyson, white bitch look like Tyson. Stacking up chicken like Tyson. Robbing carrying these niggas real soon, I'ma have me a bag like a bison. Late night I call up my Dyson. Squeeze it real tight like a python. 26 bitches in Maestros. Doggy right down in his day clothes. Had too much hair for a ski mask. Every ride nigga was a Benz, we know who would be a Maybach or who we consider the E-class. I don't do GS unless they gon' give me a cheap ass. Ride with this blick on my head for so long, it done damn near gave me a heat rash. At 26, mama told me that he wanted abortion. Imagine the loss of the fortune. That thought of that had me scorching. The thought of my mama going 9 to 5 because of an unready boyfriend. These niggas be talking about stabbing, that's something I just don't recall. Just like the thought of seeing horse skin. I woke up and felt like I didn't want to share, and I'm taking back all of the portions. I wish I had time to head on you niggas, cause we would've brought back extortions. I know they think about the nails, the motive these niggas is constantly forcing. Niggas is overly gangster, protecting the image they don't even know, and these niggas do not know the answer. It's us.
Solid to the bone, concrete structure, they know what we on. And going back and forth with these niggas, dog, they vehicle is they only home. I keep all blues like a jazz player, call me Karl Malone. He ain't get a paper up yet, it's cool. He got late fees. Who the fuck gave me these $20 bills? Dog, I hate these. Cycling foreign whips, on expensive trips, like an 8-speed. Ain't studying none of these broke hoes, blackout curtains on my windows. Sip, sip, quarter piece of benzo, H. Lorenzo. Chauffeur around in caddies, dog, I got this from my 10 toes. Smashed on Fat Tuesday, left her in the NO. Grew up with the goons, pray out, knowing how the shit go. Real lakeside, baby, I do it for my kinfolk.
Tell me what's the word, you must not heard. I'm storming by the man, I promise that we tied in. When shit get tough, I know the creek gon' hold me over. Every day I'm getting closer to my dreams. They running schemes but won't trick me about my spot. I earn my rank, she throwing twat. In exchange for funds and fame, your favorite rapper, real life.
Order filled.
Charge it to the game, I'm not impressed, we're not the same. How you flexing but living check to check, you better come correct. They know it's us in full effect. Any disrespect, my stepper right direct. Cleats on concrete Nikes, I don't care if you don't really like me. I know bank stone right beside me, they say it's love, but I feel despised. I see the pain, I can read the lies, all between the lines, man, free the guys. I repeat the ones who ain't crossed that line to the other side, I'm in prime time. My life in the sunshine, first you get that money, then that power, the world is all mine. Yeah, nigga, it's us, man.
Ain't no nigga
Life's all about contradiction, yin and yang, fluidity and things. I'm me, I'm God, I'm everything. I'm my own reason why I sing. And so are you understanding?
Order filled.
I know you think this shit is easy for you, but not so much for me. But I'll still ride, that's just the risk I'll take. I know you see me acting sleazy, I'm working on it, take it easy. I'll figure it all out before I break. If I should die before I wake, oh please do not resuscitate.
Order filled.
Didn't live my life in vain. This music shit's a piece of cake. The rest of my life's in a state of chaos, but I know I'll be okay.
Order filled.
Life's all about contradiction, yin and yang, fluidity and things. I'm me, I'm God, I'm everything. I'm my own reason why I sing. And so are you understanding?
Early this morning, when you knocked upon my door, early this morning,
Order filled.
when you knocked upon my door, and I said, "Hello, Satan, I believe it's time to go." Me and the devil was walking side by side.
all over the news, all over the news. I noticed under the sun, struggling to find my focus. When I was young, young and dumb, I was always running away. Up in the night, wishing somebody knew me. Something inside, playing my mind confused. I didn't know why I could choose. Born in the wild, born in the wild. Born in the wild, born in the wild. I grew up in the wilderness, didn't know much about openness. Born in the wild, born in the wild. Born in the wild, born in the wild. I was born in the wild, grew up in the wild, yet you gave me my world. And the world
think she mad at me. Fraudulent niggas can't rap with me. Flying from Jeffrey to Madison. Feel like I'm funding the Taliban. She want my heart, you can have it then. Neptune hate when you switch gears. And I made 100 that this year. February coming, I'ma get a meal. Southfield said I got secrets. Match from the breaks, I mean it. Winning from the heart, can't remix. Quarterback, but I'm on defense. Fly from the rack, but I'm deep in.